Hello, welcome to Sundays with Selma. I'm Selma. Today, I'm going to show you how to make creamy chicken gnocchi soup. We need the following ingredients to begin. Cooked chopped chicken thighs, 2 cups. Gnocchi, 1 pound. Shredded carrot, 1 cup. Chopped celery, ½ cup. Baby spinach, 2 cups. Diced onion, 1 number. Dried parsley, 1 teaspoon. Dried thyme, 1 teaspoon. Nutmeg powder, ½ teaspoon. Black pepper powder, ½ teaspoon. Unsalted butter, 4 tablespoons. All-purpose flour, ¼ cup. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon. Parmesan cheese, ½ cup. Chicken broth, 4 cups. Minced garlic, 1 tablespoon. Heavy cream, 1 cup. Salt to taste. Water as needed. The first thing I'm going to do, cook the gnocchi. To do this, in a pot, add enough water and boil it. Once the water is boiled, add 1 pound of gnocchi and cook for about 3 minutes. You can find gnocchi in the pasta aisle at your local grocery store. Now the gnocchi is ready. Drain the water and set aside. Next, I am going to do in a large pot, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and mix it in. Once the butter is melted in the olive oil, I'm going to add the diced onion and chopped celery and mix that in a medium heat for about 2 minutes or until the onion is translucent. Once the onions are translucent, I'm going to add the minced garlic and to mix about 45 seconds or until it becomes fragrant. Next, I'm going to add about ½ teaspoon of salt and mix it well. Now, I'm going to add the all-purpose flour and mix it until it's all blended. Next, I'm going to add the 1 cup of heavy cream and bring the heat to a medium to high and let this come to a simmer. I'm going to let it simmer until it thickens. Once it thickens, I'm going to add the chicken broth and just cook together for a few minutes. It's time to add spices now. First, I'm going to add the dried thyme, dried parsley, nutmeg powder and black pepper powder and mix it very well. After mixing all the spices, I'm going to add the carrot and mix it. Now, I'm going to add the cooked chicken to the soup and mix it well. I'm going to add the cooked gnocchi to the soup. Make sure the gnocchis are not stuck together. Mix well and cook together for a few minutes. Now the time to add the cheese. I'm going to add half a cup of Parmesan cheese and mix it until it's completely melted. You can use any kind of cheese. Once the cheese has melted, add salt to taste and mix well. The very last thing, I'm going to add the baby spinach and mix it for about 2 minutes. Now our soup is ready. Our simple and delicious creamy chicken gnocchi soup is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.